Namaste everyone, it's me Damodar Gaire. Right now I am talking about Cassia Fistula. This is Cassia Fistula fruits, very long fruits, Cassia Fistula. Now I am going to demonstrate to you how to prepare Cassia Fistula syrup here. This is a very simple idea. First you have to need a glass of water here. A glass of water, and this is a glass of water. And first, this is Cassia Fistula. The Cassia Fistula is very much important for urine disease and another either menstrual cycles balance, and also for the women reproductive health system. It really improves the women reproductive health system. And if you have something problem of the urinary bladder and urinary disease, and you can use it, and it is also for the cancer and gastric. If you have a constipation problem, it's really work right now. Hi friends, I have already prepared this Cassia Fistula syrup. Cassia Fistula syrup I have already placed in my refrigerator here. Here is the Cassia Fistula syrup. Now I am going to show you how to prepare it. First, this is Cassia Fistula fruits, and you have to cut it down here like this. Yes, this is, and you can cut it down vertically in this way, and you can put here. You can put here. And after half an hour, you can get the Cassia Fistula syrup in this way, and you can drink a little bit every day. When it is finished, you can prepare like this way. And I place it in refrigerator, whatever you like. Yeah. And then the color of the water is changing. Oh, white to red one. It's a coffee color, little bit coffee color here. And every day, how to use the Cassia Fistula syrup? And every day you can use like this. It's the one dose every in the morning. Thank you very much for watching this Cassia Fistula video. I have already prepared this video for the Cassia Fistula importance, and right now I am showing you how to prepare the Cassia Fistula syrup in your home. It is very simple way, and if you use it regularly, then it really works for your improved health system. Every health system. If you have a gastric problem, if you have a symptom of cancer, if you have a other headache problem, if you have a urinary disease, and it also improves the liver also. Thank you very much for watching this video.